Alright, hello everyone, I'm Ari. I presented at the last day of Tinkers. I'm really happy to be back. I'm presenting the same thing with some additional things. I have merged now this silly tank top I'm wearing on my t-shirt, and a provisional patent and a pending trademark, but obviously we're interested in the tech stuff, so I'm here to talk about a bit. So basically my thing uses convolutional neural nets. It is a chess app, and so why this chess app? New players have a large barrier to entry to chess, and basically this started as an idea because I could never beat my Russian grandmaster dad at chess. He was always so skilled, and even when he would try to relay the information to me, it felt like there was too much of a barrier, that when we played, it was less interesting for him because he had to cater to me, and then also I wasn't learning as much. So what is chesspredict.com? We could do a demo now. If anybody has chess.com on their phones, does anybody have chess.com? Yeah, if you want to pull out your phones and follow along, this will be a fun demo. Just feel free to scan it and open your chess.com app once you have the website pulled up. Maybe I could get some thumbs up when I know you guys are set up.
Maybe just move on.
Oh, just move on? Okay. So, go to chess upload on the website if you press chess upload. Then what you can do is click to select a file and take a screenshot of a chess puzzle on chess.com, on the chess.com app, and then upload the file to chesspredict. And then you basically select the piece color that you're using and are playing with, and then you press get best move. And what it does is it returns the best move you could possibly make. It uses a ConvNet to scan the digital screenshot and then get the best move using Stockfish. So maybe that's complicated to show you guys through the slides. So what I will do is I will do a live demo for you myself. So okay, so let's say we have chess.com and we have a puzzle. Sorry, it's a little slow, I guess that's what I'm saying. Okay, so let's say this is your position. You're playing with somebody better than you, and you're in a learning environment, and you're not really sure what the best move is here. It's pretty obvious you'd want to move the horse away, but let's say you didn't know that. You take a screenshot, you go to Chess Predict, and you drag and drop, or on your phone you select the file. It is black's move, so just toggle black to move, press get best move, and then it returns to you the best move to make. And so here the best move is DH84, which is moving your queen. So actually I was wrong. So this is a learning point for me, because I thought I should move the horse away. Apparently that's not the right move. It's the queen to check the king, which on second glance makes sense, but I didn't realize that. And so we can just try one more time, because it's relatively quick. And take the puzzle to its completion. E4 to G3. So nice. And then I can probably use my best judgment here and say, okay, I should take this pawn, which is wrong. Okay. So let's see what Chess Predict would say. H4, H1. Nice. Okay, so that's that puzzle. So obviously there's ethical use concerns here, so I'm working on implementing a contract feature where it makes sure that you agree with the person you're using it with on a certain number of times. I found playing with my dad that that's like really beneficial. If we agree on like I can use it 5 times in a game, it turns into a useful kind of tool. Then there's also a get analysis button, which passes the position into Claude Opus, so it gives an analysis of the position. I don't have a loading bar or anything for it, so it just takes maybe 15, 20 seconds. And there tends to be some hallucinations with the chess position analysis based on the algorithmic Venn position that we're passing into the language model. But as the LLMs get better and they train more on like chess data sets, I imagine this will get better. But this is just a basic analysis, if we look at it, of the current board position. It says based on the given chess position, black has a significant advantage to the advanced position of the queen on h4. So this was when the black queen was here, which is directly attacking white's king, which is a hallucination because it's not, because there was a pawn there. So there's some issues with that, but hopefully as LLMs get better, this will improve, this aspect of it will improve as well. And yeah, that's the presentation. Thanks. Yeah.
So you mentioned that you had the Comnet doing the like board reading?
Yes.
What's doing like the chess move cognition?
Stockfish. Python package which uses the Stockfish chess engine, and you basically are passing in the mapping from the Comnet to the Comnet maps to a chess notation, and then that gets passed into Stockfish, which gets the best one.
And so is that like a model-based engine, or is that like a normal rule-based engine?
No. Stockfish, all chess engines are they're neural network based and they're reinforcement learning based, so they play many games of chess. Yeah. Yes.
So does the analysis and the actual, when you were uploading the picture, are those two different independent analyses going through, and the hope is that they come to the same conclusion?
So that's interesting. Yeah, at first they were completely independent, but now when I press get, when I do the analysis through the large language model, I pass in the best move predicted from Stockfish, so there's some cohesion there. So it knows that the best move is the one predicted from Stockfish, and it bases its analysis based on that. Before there were some dissonance there in terms of the best move. Yeah.
Any more questions?
Yeah, have you thought about kind of unifying it? Like, for example, there's a project called Tiny Zero, which is an implementation of Alpha Zero, which you can train to learn chess, and it can do it really well too within not much time of training by self-play. And that has a neural network architecture. If there's a way to kind of connect the outputs, intermediate outputs of that neural network to the inputs of an LLM, maybe you could encode more information.
Yeah, that would be wild. Like, you mean some sort of like deeper embedded representation of the features and have like a multimodal LLM that understands like the position of the digital chessboard to like the.
Yeah, pretty much. Like, multimodal, so you can incorporate the image information, but then also, you can incorporate all the deep information that like an Alpha Zero like agent, which plays chess really well, is encoded about the board itself to make the decision.
Yeah, maybe. I think there's a lot of additional things that Stockfish has that I could use for analysis information to at least pass into the LLM. But yeah, that would be cool for sure.
That's very cool.